Hey folks, Sean Kaplan here. Hey, I was just somebody just came over to me and was telling me something. They said, "Don't look a gift horse in the mouth." I was like, "What does that mean?" He said, "Well, don't be ungrateful when you're given a gift." Well, I think right now we have a gift, and the gift is mortgage rates have hit a 60-year low. The problem is the general public has just been overstimulated and inundated and beat over the head by the media, by the stuff in our mailboxes, by the internet. And majority of individuals that have mortgages right now are frozen. They're paralyzed. They don't really know who to turn to, and they're worried they're not going to get honest advice. So that's where I come into the picture. I get a lot of joy out of people turning to me or being sent to me, and somebody says, "Hey, a family member told me to call you," a co-worker, or "You did my mortgage loan before and you were just a straight shooter." I get a lot of joy out of looking at the situation, and I telling you one of two things. Hey, this just does not make sense right now. Don't let anybody talk you into refinancing your mortgage loan. It does not fit your plan. Or B, hey, here's the opportunity, and if I were you, I would do this right now. So here's a perfect example, and then I'll leave you with this story. One of my good friends, he just called me earlier in the week, and he told me, he said, I called the people who I make my payments to, one of the big banks, and he said they would refinance my loan from a 30 to a 15-year mortgage loan at 3.375%. Pretty awesome mortgage rate. I said, "How much are you going to roll into that loan?" He said, "Right at about $3,000. So the closing costs were fairly moderate. They weren't outrageous. And I told him, I said, "So what will your new loan balance be versus your old one?" He goes, "Well, it'll go from 168 to 171. I said, "Okay, what if I did this? Our bank will offer you this. I'll do a loan at 3.625%, but we will pay the $3,000 for you." He said, "Well, that sounds like a pretty good deal, but won't it be a higher payment?" I said, "Actually, it won't. My payment will be $2 less per month because you're financing $3,000 less into your loan balance." So this is the type of advice that fits his scenario, because he didn't know if he would be in the house a couple more years, or another 5 or 10 years. And this is the type of advice you will not receive from somebody that you call up on the internet, or when you just take your mortgage statement and you call somebody behind a call center who already owns your mortgage loan and most likely does not have a vested interest in lowering the interest rate on that loan that you're paying interest on. So folks, I would be honored to earn your trust. We're the Daily News Journal Ruthie's Award winner by giving good advice to people and treating folks the way we would want to be treated. So call me and my team. I'll be glad to evaluate the scenario, and we will tell you whether you need to do something now or if you should keep the current loan that you have. 615-426-3182, and my contact info is also on this page. Thank you so much, folks. Have a great day.